If you want to delete your OneDrive account, the first thing to understand is that OneDrive is tied to your Microsoft account. So when you close the account, you're not just deleting cloud storage, you're closing the Microsoft account connected to it. That means access to Outlook, Xbox, Microsoft 365, and other Microsoft services may also be affected. So before you begin, make sure you've backed up anything important and really want to go through with it. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Close My Account. You want to make sure you open the official Microsoft page, not a third-party website. The correct page should clearly say Close Your Account. Once you're on that page, Microsoft may ask you to sign in with the Microsoft or OneDrive account you want to close. Go ahead and sign in if prompted. After that, click the Close Account option. Microsoft may ask you to add an alternative email address so they can send you a verification code. If that happens, enter an email you can access right away. Then open that inbox, find the code Microsoft sent, and type it into the verification box. Click Verify, then continue to move forward. Now pay very close attention to the warning messages. Microsoft will explain what happens when you close the account, including the waiting period and what data may be lost. Read everything carefully so there are no surprises. After that, click Next. You may then see a list of confirmation boxes. Check each box to confirm that you understand the consequences of closing the account. Next, you'll be asked to choose a reason for closing the account. Select the option that best matches your situation. Once you've done that, click Mark Account for Closure. This is the final confirmation step, and it schedules your OneDrive and Microsoft account for deletion. It's important to know that Microsoft usually gives you a waiting period before the account is permanently closed. That means if you change your mind, you may still be able to sign back in and stop the deletion process during that time. So if you're not completely sure, take a moment before finishing the final step. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a OneDrive account by closing the Microsoft account linked to it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.